Welcome to ZPro Studio.
Have you ever printed a QR code only to discover it won't scan? It's a common problem, and usually it's caused by poor print quality, incorrect sizing, or missing spacing around the code. In this video, I'll show you how to print a QR code that scans quickly and reliably every time. Step 1. Use the right file format. Start by exporting your QR code in a vector format, such as SVG, EPAs, or PDF. Unlike low-resolution image files, vector graphics stay perfectly sharp no matter how large you print them. If you're printing posters, banners, or signs, vector files are the best choice. Step 2. Print at high resolution. If you must use an image file, make sure it's at least 300 dpi. Low-resolution QR codes can become blurry or pixelated, making them difficult for phones to scan. A sharp print gives scanners the clear edges they need to read the code accurately. Step 3. Choose the right size. Your QR code should match the viewing distance. A simple rule is the 10:1 rule. For every 10 inches of scanning distance, make the QR code at least 1 inch wide. If people will scan from farther away, increase the size accordingly. Step 4. Leave a quiet zone. One of the most common printing mistakes is placing text or graphics too close to the QR code. Always leave a white border around all 4 sides. This empty space, called the quiet zone, helps phones detect and read the QR code correctly. Without it, scanning can become unreliable. Step 5. Test before printing in bulk. Before printing hundreds or thousands of copies, print a single sample first. Scan it using several different smartphones. Test it under different lighting conditions and from the distance where people will actually use it. If you're using a dynamic QR code, also confirm that the destination link works correctly. Spending a few minutes testing can save both time and printing costs. Common mistakes to avoid. Avoid these common errors. Printing at very low resolution. Making the QR code too small. Using low contrast colors. Covering the quiet zone with graphics or text. Forgetting to test the printed version before mass production. Even a well-designed QR code can fail if it's printed incorrectly. Conclusion. Printing a scannable QR code isn't difficult, but paying attention to a few details makes all the difference. Use a high-quality file, print at the correct resolution, choose an appropriate size, keep the quiet zone clear, and always test before final printing. Follow these simple steps, and your QR codes will scan quickly and reliably in real-world situations. For a complete written guide, check out the article link in the description.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to ZPro Studio for more tech tutorials, AI tips, and digital marketing insights. See you in the next video.